guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little different because it's spring and it's time to get my little tractor, my riding mower, out of the shed. And it's been over there all winter, and I happen to know that it has a flat tire. And I bought a replacement tire, and Mark usually does these things, and I have seen him change, I don't know how many, so many tractor tires and everything over the years. And usually when he does those kind of projects, I try to be helpful, and I try to pay really close attention to what he's doing. And this time I think that I'm going to try to do it by myself. And it's in my shed on the other side of the property, and getting power tools over there just isn't going to work. So this, I don't know, I'll give you a little warning. This is not a tutorial because I had no idea how it was going to turn out. So I just went over there and I opened up the shop and I set up the camera, and it's funny, it's really funny, but let's see how it turned out. 4K, so that's all the footage, and it's the entire length of the entire project. I just turned the camera on and let it go. It ended up taking me a little over 23 minutes, but I did it. There were a few little frustrations in there, and I did have to come all the way back to the house for a hammer, so I kind of stormed off to go get my hammer. All in all, it wasn't that bad. When I came back and showed Mark the video and told him about it, he said, well, you know, we have a pair of pliers for taking those retaining rings off. And somewhere in the back of my mind I knew that, but when I went to get the tools together for it, I didn't get one. But I did manage to get it on there anyway. With, you know, a jubilant, yeah, they're in there somewhere. But, yeah, this definitely wasn't a tutorial, but I could do one. Actually, the other front tire is probably going to need replaced here in the not too distant future. And, I could probably pretty easily do a tutorial now because I know exactly how they go on. But anyway, I won't keep you any longer. I hope this video finds everybody happy, healthy, safe, and maybe with a grin on your face. I hope you weren't drinking anything that you could, you know, snort back out your nose today. But yeah. Challenge accepted. I love to challenge myself because, I don't know, it's just the way I am. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring that little bell to let you know when we put out a new video. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for me, please leave them in the little box below. I was absolutely tickled that I could do it by myself, and Mark was so proud of me. But he has enough on his plate trying to get the shop and everything set up, you know, in the middle of everything that's going on. So I did it. Yeah, I pulled it off. Anyway, if you're, yeah, if you haven't subscribed to, not subscribed, now I'm got myself all in the loop. If you haven't entered our giveaway, please enter our giveaway. It's our opportunity to give back to you for everything that you do for us. And, I won't keep you any longer, so, love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.